Okay, great. We're preventing errors. But now we need to learn all of these different designs. What can we do to improve learnability? The next design principle is consistency, which is to design interfaces that have similar operations and use similar elements for similar tasks. For example, always using control keys plus the first initial of the command for an operation, Control C, Control S, Control O. The main benefit is consistent interfaces, which are easier to learn and use. Main benefit is consistent interfaces are easier to learn and use. There are two types of consistency. Internal consistency refers to designing operations to behave the same within an application. This is very difficult to achieve with complex interfaces. So what happens when more than one command starts with the same letter? For example, save, spelling, select, style, cut, and copy. That can be very challenging. External consistency refers to designing operations, interfaces, etc. to be the same across applications and devices. This is rarely the case because it's based on different designers' preference, but there are some examples. For example, I'm on a Mac which has a command button for its commands, so that's not consistent with Windows, but I can do Command C, Command O, Command S, so it's analogous, so it's somewhat consistent with the other commands on different devices. So now it's your turn. Independently, follow the instructions on Learn to provide an example of consistency in an interactive system. This can be either a successful or failed example of this principle.